If you also downloaded Rufus and after making it bootable, if your USB flash drive is not showing up in this PC, in your PC, then this video will help you. So I have connected my USB flash drive, but here you can see no USB drive is being shown over here. So for that you need Rufus. If you had deleted it previously, just download it once again. So here it is Rufus. After installing it, we are going to open it. Simply type Rufus in search bar. So the exe file will be there. Click on open. Click on yes. Here on the device, if your device is selected, then it's okay, but if it is not selected, then you can see show advanced drive properties over here. Expand it and click on list USB hard drives. So here my device has been shown over here. So from here under boot section, click on it and select non-bootable and click on start. Click on OK. Click on close. Now let's go to this PC once again, and here you can see our USB drive has been restored and it is completely free, so you can use it for your regular aux. So if this video helped you, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.